Trading meme coins can feel like a full-time job. If you don't have a lot of time, you might think, oh, I can never trade meme coins and become a successful meme coin trader. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade meme coins if you don't have a lot of time, and basically an easy strategy where you can just buy coins, be AFK, set limits, and make money. This is one of the main strategies I use when I'm going on vacation or I just have a lot of other work that I can't focus on meme coins. And this strategy almost always works. And I'll actually be giving you guys two strategies, not just one. So if one doesn't work, then you always have the other. So with that being said, let's break it down. And I'm also gonna go over some trades I actually took using this strategy. So the first one is actually tracking wallets and tracking good wallets. So we're on this new app called FOMO, which is like the Instagram of meme coin trading. And basically it shows everyone's trades live. And now you guys can go ahead and follow me on there. I do actually trade some coins, and some of these are even like insider early coins. So I would say I'm a pretty good person to track. So with that being said, let's break it down. And I'm also gonna go over some trades I actually took using this strategy. So the first one is actually tracking wallets and tracking good wallets. So we're on this new app called FOMO, which is like the Instagram of meme coin trading. And basically it shows everyone's trades live. And now you guys can go ahead and follow me on there. I do actually trade some coins, and some of these are even like insider early coins. So I would say I'm a pretty good person to track, but you can clearly see these other people making, easily $100,000 in one day. And the cool thing is, like, you can follow these people and you can even find people early. So like, let's say down here we have this dude who's up like, 26K this month. Well, then obviously he knows something that we don't. Therefore, he probably knows good trades. For example, he bought this Wojak, a long time ago at 250K, and the Wojak literally just hit 6 mil. So it's like, what did he know that we didn't? Well, clearly he had some sort of insider information or something like that. And based off of this, we can actually track his wallet. So we can go ahead to his account, just follow him and put on notifications, and you'll see whenever he takes a trade, it will basically just inform you and you can copy trade him. Now, what's the second way of getting good wallets to track? Let me go ahead and show you. All right, let's say this Toad coin right here. Now this went pretty viral and a lot of people were making money on this, but like, how do you get in earlier? How did these people know that this coin was gonna send? Well, what we can go ahead and do is go to top traders and literally just look at the top traders and look for someone who entered early. So for example, this guy, he entered really early. He hasn't had the best trades, but he had Toad early and was able to make, around $150,000 in one trade, but he still doesn't meet my criteria. What you can also do is look for lower top traders. So this guy right here, he is able to make 40K, which is, an insane trade. And looking at his chart, he clearly has some sort of information that we don't. So we could go ahead and press the star icon right here, or watch list. Now this is all using Axiom, as you guys can see. If you don't know what Axiom is, it's just a trading platform. And I do have a link down below for you guys to use it. You will get cash back if you use my link as well. But yeah, now that you have a couple of tracked wallets, what you can also do is come down to here, wallet tracker, and you can just kind of sort through these wallet trackers in your free time and buy the coins that they're buying. Now, obviously I recommend, if you can't even track wallets, you don't even have enough time for that, well then join, call channels or channels for free that, share good charts or share good coins early. Now remember, a lot of these KOLs or call channels are actually getting paid to show you meme coins, but the cool thing is I have a free one and I actually only share my personal trades. I almost never share any paid trades here. And as you guys can see, recently we actually hit a 2.5x on Toad, which I perfectly called right here. And I even gave you guys the chart setup. So if you guys are interested in, getting free calls, you can join my channel or other KOLs channels as well. And this is one of the best ways to also get insiders or, get into a coin early, is being in call channels and, trenching groups. And to join trenching groups, you just have to be really active on X. You have to talk to a lot of people and just get to know everyone. But I'd for sure recommend tracking wallets and joining channels. Now those were just bonus, sort of tips. Let's break down the main strategy that I've been using lately and has been making me pretty good amount of money. Now I'm gonna use this alot coin for example, and we're just gonna break down the chart and why I think, this is a pretty good strategy. So as you guys can see here, we almost perfectly bought this dip right down here at 3.5 million, and then it went to 10 million. So it 10x'd, it 3x'd on 15 Solana. Obviously I haven't sold because I hope this coin goes to 100 mil or whatever. Let's see, I just don't need the money right now. But obviously, you know, this would have been a good 3x trade on size if you guys were to trade it. So how did I know when to enter, and how did I know this was a good coin? Clearly this is some sort of crime or high volume just pump. And what this tells me is that this coin has potential to go up again. And how am I gonna actually, you know, kind of determine when to enter? What I like to use is called the Fibonacci retracements. Now this is literally like untapped, no one really uses this. But what this does is just show you when to enter. So if I draw these lines, you can literally see, you know, it might have missed the entry by a bit and sort of dipped. But this little zone from, you know, from this line to this line is like my entry zone right here. I almost never enter above, but this little zone is a good area to enter. And what does this mean? Let's go over to the settings and show you guys. So basically each decimal is the percent that the coin has went down. So 0.7 means the coin is down 70%, then 85%, 60%, and then, you know, 1 is just 0. And as you guys can see, you know, I feel like a coin that has high volume or goes up almost dips, you know, to this level almost every time. And that's just every Fibonacci kind of group or level almost always dips, and that's how you know your entry is good. Now second is also you want to be following charts. So if I go over to Toad, you know, I sent this trade to our group, and this would have been a great example of the Fibonacci strategy, but also like some other strategies. So you can see it entered, you know, this little zone right here. Then it went up, I don't know, 3x or something like that. But you could also have used charts. So even if you didn't get your entry down here, when you see that it broke structure upwards here, and then it came back down and it's bounced off the line right here, well, you still would have been able to enter here 11 and you would have hit a 2x. Now this is just assuming you're trading on size. Obviously, if you're not trading with a lot of money, you probably want to go for bigger multipliers, which is actually why I have one of these videos. I don't know which side it still is, but I actually live trade with, you know, a smaller portfolio. And that's also a great strategy. But this is a good strategy if, you know, you kind of want to think tactically about your trading. And almost like everyone uses this strategy on size. I just showed you guys 2 coins it's worked on. And almost every coin that has sent in the last month has actually, you know, worked like this. So we have Kate, for example, which recently had a crazy candle down, but 5-minute chart. And these are just like high volume coins. So if the coin goes to 10 million in one day and there's just so many people talking about it, it might be a good coin to buy. So once again, we can just literally draw this chart down, and you would have just entered once it broke in it. And then obviously you can use this kind of as support here. So you would put a line here, but yeah, you would have entered at 3 mil. Like this one's a little more unrealistic because no one really knew what was happening. But once again, if you do use this strategy as it touches this line multiple times, then you'll start to notice like these high volume, high market cap coins actually like work using this sort of day trading type strategy. And this is good if you don't have a lot of time, because you could just set like buy limits at certain market caps. So for example, we do the fib, like you could just literally set buy limits here and then, you know, just go chill, go to work. And then you can set like sell limits for whatever, you know, sort of sell limit you want, you know, just depends on how much you're willing to risk, how much you want to make. But this is a good strategy on size for someone who doesn't have a lot of time. And if you guys did enjoy this strategy, leave a like, comment, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys next video.